Hello guys, I hope you're fine. In this section, I want to give a simple example of coding in Notepad. Let's start. First, open the Notepad of Windows and Notepad and save as index.html. I zoom in with Ctrl and plus. We start coding for web page and I'm explaining each line I write. First, one angle bracket, the type HTML, and I close the tag. This line shows the version of HTML. It's related to HTML5. After that, I write angle brackets and HTML place inside it. Press enter a few times to create an empty space. Press enter and tab for beauty and code readability. When interpreting, browser ignores all empty space, and these spaces are only used to write clean and readable codes for us, not for browsing. And I write the angle brackets with forward slash and HTML tag. It's a closing tag. Between open tag and HTML tags, we call it an element. Now I want to write a head and body are two of the main elements. Whatever we write in the body, will be displayed by the browser. First, I want to show this page. There's nothing here. Index.html. For example, I write the paragraph tag. Hello, my friends. After refreshing this page, it shows hello my friends. See, hello my friends. So, whatever we write in a body tags, it's displayed in a page. In the head part, we write the title tag. It shows index.html. After refreshing, it shows mcoder. Google has done the same. W3 School has done the same. Let me check. For example, W3 School. I press Ctrl and U to display the page code. You can see type HTML. The version of HTML is 5, and also the title is W3 School. That shows here. Let me show the Google. Ctrl and U. Also, you can see the doc type HTML, the version of HTML5, and title. It's a new tab, is written new tab here. So title show us the name of page. I write meta tag to tell the browser what encoding system to use for my HTML document. The browser understands to use the UTF-8 encoding system. Also meta is self-closing tag or empty element. It doesn't have a closing tag and it doesn't have a content. Let's go to show what is the UTF-8 encoding system. In HTML document, every character you see has a code. That code is converted into a binary and is stored on the hard disk. If I Google the all character in table UTF-8, it shows the list of, let me show you, the characters. You can search with pressing Ctrl and F, for example S. I want to find the S. S. Look here is written a sample of HTML code. Let me show, yes, for HTML code. I want to write it in a notepad. I write another paragraph. Let me save it, Control save, and then after that refresh this page. It shows S. So each character have its own code and that converted into binary. It was a simple sample of HTML coding, and for the next session we start VS Code. Have a nice day. Bye bye.